Hi, this is just a quick video on how to submit final grades within Canvas through the Submit Grades feature at Glen Community College. So we're on the college's webpage, at their homepage, and we're going to click to get into Canvas. And then sign into Canvas. Then I need to find the class for which I want to submit final grades. Let's say it's this one down here. Whoops. Click on the class, and then over here in the class navigation, you will see final grades somewhere. For me, it's, sorry, not final grades, submit grades. There it is down there. Yours may be in a different location depending on how you set things up. If you do not see submit grades over here, then here's what you need to do. Go down here to settings, and then go over here to navigation. And if you don't see it, then it's down here somewhere. Find it and drag it up above this line, and then go down to the bottom and click submit or click save, and then you'll be able to see submit grades. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on submit grades, and you should see something like this. Right now, this is midterm grades, and all of my students' names are over here, but you can't see them. I need to click on final grades, and my final grades are automatically calculated because within Canvas, I set up the grading, what do they call it? You set up your grading scale. I think they call it a grading scheme. But regardless, I believe you should see the student's percentage here. So if you have to, you can go get the syllabus for your class and then enter their 4.0 type grades based on your syllabus. At any rate, hopefully you've got it set up so it does it automatically. So this is the time where you look at these and kind of take a look for yourself and see if things look accurate. And as long as they do, oh, I want you to notice something else. Sorry. You can edit these. So if I decided instead of a 2.0, this student deserves to get a 1.0, or this student deserves to get a 2.5, I can change that if I see fit. The other thing to know, if you're putting these in manually, and I'll go back to this other student that I was picking on, if they're failing, do not just put 0. You must put 0.0, or the system will not accept the grade. It has to be a 0.0. And then the other thing to know in this regard, if you have a failing student, so let me go ahead and make this one failing again. The other thing you have to make sure you enter is their last date of attendance. Because we're doing online classes, you could go back to analytics and see when that student was active in the class last. There will be a date in there, and then just put that date in here. If you have been meeting, of course, through Zoom or face-to-face, if you've got a lab class like we do and that kind of thing, you can put that last date that they were in the actual class in there, but you must put a date in here. You have no choice. So I'd make sure there was a date in there. Again, that's only if they're failing. And that is it. Let me put this back to the way it was. I don't think it'll change anything. The last thing you need to do, once you've made sure everything's right here, is to click submit. And I still have students working in here a little bit, so I'm not going to do that right now. But once you click submit, you will find out how many students' grades were accepted by the system. Take a look at that and see if there were any problems. Hopefully all of the students were accepted and you're totally done. If someone wasn't accepted, there should be some kind of reason there for you that you can investigate. And of course, if you have problems with this system, you could contact me first. And if I can't help you, I'll figure out who you need to talk to. And that's it. That's how you do final grading in terms of using the submit grade feature in Canvas at Glen Community College. Thanks for watching.